In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by building a community. Okay. So I learned about like starting my own community not too long ago. And what I love about this is inside of this platform, you can like create recurring income. So like you could have a free community where you can invite people into your free community, and then you can create different like courses, or you can have paid modules. So you can build recurring income that way. Like recurring income means like you're getting paid every month, whatever it is, $100 a month, $10,000 a month. I even know people that are building communities in this platform and they're making over six figures a month recurring income, because you have recurring bills, so it makes sense to have recurring income, right? So what I love about this is like you can base a community on something that you're passionate about, right? It doesn't even matter what it is. Like right now I'm building a community and it's about like money, making money and mindset, which is something that I'm passionate about. But also I can do something about music, which I might do in the future as well, because I'm also passionate about music. So it doesn't really matter what your community is about. It just has to be something that you're really into, something you're really passionate about, and then you can monetize this community and make a lot of money actually doing something that you love and actually connecting with people and helping people, inspiring people, motivating people, whatever it is that you actually want to do. You can build a community about that, around that, your passion, and you could turn that into a lot of money. You have the potential to do that, right? Like anything else, it's just everything is based on your effort. Okay, everything in life, right? But I just want to show you what I've discovered, because I've been building this community for a few months now, and I'm still building it, and it's still like I'm learning all about it. But like the potential I see here is just like, honestly, if there's something you should be doing in 2026 besides building an online business, which is something I also teach, is building a community. Okay, so without further ado, let me just show you my community. I'm going to show you this platform and show you how things work. And yeah, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to start your free community, or if you want to join my community and see how I'm building and see what I'm doing, then there's a link in my bio. You can join the free community, and you can create your own community as well. So let me share my screen. Okay, so here is the platform that I'm using. I don't know if you know about this platform, but it's a platform called School, right? And it's so cool. There's so many cool things about this platform that like, and I'm still, like I said, I'm still learning so much about it, but what I've learned so far is just blows my mind, the potential here, right? So for example, here's my community. It's called the Wealth Academy, right? And you have this little, it's like, this is outside of social media. The thing I love about this, it's like if you're using social media, like you have to play by their rules, and like they can ban your account for no reason. I've had accounts shut down for like no reason, and they didn't even explain why. And like I lost my account. All that work I did building this whole like account, like this Facebook or whatever social media account, all of a sudden it's just gone. I lose everything. And if you're building a business based on a like social media, well, you're not in control of that. But with this community, you have complete control of your community, right? And there's so much cool stuff you can do inside of your community, right? So here you go. Here's my community. It's a community for mindset, money, and digital mastery. Build confidence, skills, and online income with guidance and support. Okay. So now at the top of your community, right? This is where you can like interact. People can post things. You can post things. You can create these different categories. You can create polls. You can post videos. Let's say you want to build your YouTube channel, right? You can post your YouTube channel. You can post your YouTube videos inside of the community as well. And yeah, so like you can just create like the categories, different categories that you want to create, whatever it is. Like for example, my categories are, introduce yourself, wins, people can share their wins, what announcements that I have, mindset, any questions that people have, right? And you can do all of that in the settings, okay? Like your settings, you can do everything here, adjust everything, you got this whole settings section. And yeah, for like, here you go, like categories, okay? See, introducing yourself, all that stuff is there, right? So there you go. And now look, and that's just, oh man, there's so much here. So let's just like imagine what is something that you're passionate about, right? Create a community about that. Create a community around that. And then here's the next part that I want to show you, right? So now there's this classroom section. Now outside of this classroom section, you can create little modules about anything, okay? So now this is like here I'm talking about like I'm helping people like start their own community as well. And also you can become an affiliate for this platform School. And just by referring people to School, you can also earn money that way. You can earn affiliate commissions, and School will pay you for promoting this community builder system that they created, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so here's one module, right? And this is just like my introduction module, but here, and here's my next module. But here in this module, I also have my business is here. Like if somebody wants to learn how to make $100 to $1,400 in a day, they can watch this video and they can join this business. Okay, they can start this business, right? So I'm promoting my business as well. And then, but here's another cool thing though. So you can create these modules, right? For example, oh yeah, here's my resources hub. So this is how you can build your affiliate offers, right? Now, let's say you're affiliate for something. See all these right here are affiliate offers. So people can go here and they can, use one of these, like they can purchase one of these things. Like these are mostly like based on what I teach, like making money online and how to grow on social media. So like if they want to like learn how to, if they want an all-in-one marketing platform, okay, and they purchase something, they purchase this like subscription or whatever, I get an affiliate commissions, okay? I get affiliate commissions if they use any of these resources that I'm offering them. If they pay for any of these resources, then I get affiliate commissions based on that. So you can create a little resource hub for whatever affiliate offers you want to promote. Any kind of affiliate offer connected to anything. Like if I'm doing music, I could have affiliate offers for guitars or like, music equipment or lessons or courses, who knows, Okay. So, and then here's another cool thing. Look at this. Okay. So if you like, this is how I'm looking at it. But now this is how my members look at it. Okay. So look at this. So look, unlock for $27. You see, these are paid modules. So if somebody wants to unlock the module, they have to pay for it. Okay. So I have modules for 27. I have modules for 197. Okay. I have a module for 297. I even have a module for 5,000. I have a high ticket offer for 5,000, right? Now, the cool thing is, okay, so bear with me. I'm just trying to explain this to you. I'm just showing you how everything works here, right? So all you got to do is go inside and create some kind of module, whatever it is that you want to create it, whatever your module is all about. Go in, create this module, okay? And it gives you options, okay? Like you can create whatever you want to create. It could be like maybe it's a course that you want to create, maybe it's an ebook, okay? Some kind of product opportunity or service, something that you want to either create yourself or that somebody else created and you want to sell, and then you can sell it for whatever price you want to sell it for, okay? And there you go. So let's say like I wanted to do a guitar course. I can create this little guitar course, how to play, how to create your own songs on guitar. I can create my little video course, videos or PDFs or ebooks, and then I can charge for that, whatever price I want to charge, okay? So there you go. That's so cool though. So think about that. You can create whatever kind of thing you want to create, whatever you're passionate about, whatever problem you can solve, you can create a little module for it and you can charge for that. And not only that, but people can also become affiliates for that, okay? So you can have affiliates. So people can also promote your thing, and not only do they make a little bit of money, but you make money because they're your affiliate, right? You can charge, like they can make like 40% commissions and you get to keep 60%. Okay, if you have any questions about this, let me know. I'm just showing you, I just want you to see how this all works. And another thing you can do is, so like with my modules, as you can see, some are free and some are paid. So I like to give people some value. So they have not everything is paid for. They don't have to buy everything, but I'm also giving them some value. And if the free value that I give is so good, they're going to want to, invest in the paid modules as well. Okay. So it's like that. And check this out. Here's another one. Now, here's my, for example, my inner circle. Okay. So if somebody wants to join my inner circle, right? They're going to have to pay whatever I want to price it for. Okay. So I'm pricing this for, they're part of my, okay. Wrong one. Sorry. So they're part of my, where'd it go? Okay. Yeah. They're part of my inner circle. So the only way they can access this if they pay for it, and they're going to be paying, this is how you build recurring income. Okay. So they're paying $97 a month to be part of my inner circle, which is basically I'm doing accountability for them, coaching and accountability inside of my inner circle. So they're paying $97 a month. That's recurring income. So I'm making $97 per person. So all you need is like 100 people and you're making like 10K a month. You just need 100 people. So you create some kind of recurring recurring offer that could be, whatever it is, coaching, accountability, whatever. And there you go. But not only that, you can charge for, like, if you want, like, you can have free communities or you can have paid communities. So just to join your community, you could charge people maybe like $10 a month, $30 a month, 47 bucks, 97 bucks, however you want to price it, and people will pay to join your community. So if you have some kind of passion or some kind of skill or some kind of problem that you can solve, well, you can get paid for it, okay? And then you're also just developing these cool relationships with people, okay? Like tonight, I'm having a free Q&A inside of my community, and also your calendar, like you can create these live events, right? You can do like free like Q&As. You can just hang out with people. It could be like you could do like rack your brain, whatever you want to do. You could do like a movie, like you can have like a movie club where you just like discuss movies, or like a book of the month club where you're just discussing books. Or like if you have some problem that people can pay, like that you can solve and people can pay you, like you're an accountant, you can teach people how to, whatever, help the people with their taxes, anything. Just rack your brain, just figure out what you're passionate about or what problem you can solve and create a community around that. And look at, I got people from all over the world inside of my community. You see, there's a map of people all over the world inside of my community, guys. So you can build a global community and get people all over the world inside of your community. And it's a beautiful thing. So I just had to share this with you, and I'll just keep you updated about like what's going on and how, like, what my experience is like building this community. And I'll let you know, and we'll see how it goes. See, right now I already got it. Like, I got about 190 people inside of our community, and I've only been building this like a few months, and I haven't been really taking it seriously until now. And now I'm having like my first Q&A tonight. So like, there you go. Right. You can also join my free community too if you want, because inside of my community, I just like, if you're looking for ways to make money, that's what I do. I teach people how to make money and I help people with their mindset. And I'm also inviting guest speakers and like other people that are like anybody that's knows about making money mindset. I'm going to invite these guest speakers inside of my community as well. And also, I'm part of another community that helps you build your community too. If you need help building your community, I also have another community that can help you, that just focuses completely on building communities, and I can help you as well. So yeah, I don't know if you have any questions about this. I will share more videos about this, and let me know if you want me to share more videos about this. But this is just an awesome way to make income, to build income, just by like doing something that you're actually passionate about and creating a community, because communities are the ways, like it's the way to go in the future, because AI is coming in hot and people are going to get sick of all this AI stuff. People want genuine connection with people. So you can build a community based on something you love or some kind of problem that you can solve. And you can turn that into like maybe a, 6-figure a month or 6-figure a year, business community where you're making money by helping people, solving problems, interacting with people, and just doing something that you genuinely enjoy doing. Okay. So just go to the link in my bio, and you can check out more about this. You can start your free community. You can also join my community and see how I'm building it, and we can build communities together. And if you have any questions about it, you can jump on my live Q&As inside of my community and ask me questions. Okay. So I hope you got some value here. I just wanted to share this with you because I think it's pretty awesome, and have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.